Hi guys, my name is Michelle and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a double footlock. So to start off doing a double footlock, you're going to do 2 crochet wraps. So you'll kick out with one leg, do 1 crochet, and to get the second one, it's not that easy, but you're going to have to kick high up so that you can swing that foot around for the second time. So now that you have 2, it kind of looks like this. You'll have one twisted over your shin and then the second one twisted over the top crevice of your foot. And from here, you're actually going to step back into the loop that you've created. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring your foot up, and when you do this, you kind of create, or you can actually pull it, but when you lift up, you create a loop, and you're going to step back into that loop. So now I'm in a double footlock, and to get out of it, this time you're actually going to step forward to get out. So I'll show it to you on the left side. So you're going to kick out, kick up again to get that second one over, and you can always adjust in case it gets wrapped around your heel. So that's what it looks like. And then from here, you're going to bring your leg up to create this loop right here and step back into it. So now I'm in a double footlock. And this is what it looks like from the side. Now just be careful not to step back. It's not really easy to step back, but if you do, you get locked. So to get out, step forward. Now if you want to see it from another direction, so kick out, wrap once, kick, wrap twice. And then you'll kick, step up, and back into the hoop. And for the left leg, kick out, kick again. One last time, you'll step up and back into the hoop. So now, going to do a double, well, it's a double footlock, but we're going to do it with both legs. So to do it, you can actually do this one at the same time, and you need to use your arm strength to hold yourself up while you do it. So you can jump up, kick out, wrap once, kick to get that second wrap. Now you'll lift your legs and step back into the hoop. And now you can get into your splits. And you can do quite a few other things. Step up and out, or step up and forward to get out of it. So now from the back side. Okay. So jump up, kick out, twist once, twice, step up and back. And to get out, lift up and step forward. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Michelle, and I'll see you guys soon.